Video we will use series sum and logest for exponential regression of a Taylor series expansion. The equation that we're doing is the y equals e to the power x, and the values of x will range from -1 to +1. So we enter our formula of exponent of the x values, and we show these values in the chart. Insert chart, and we show the trend line in the exponential form. So here we have the trend line equation of our dataset, existing dataset. That is y equals e to the exponent x. So y equals e to the power 1x. So 1 times e to the power 1x. That's our y equation. And this is the dataset in blue, where these points are the dataset. We will use the logest to get the statistics. So logest of data y and data x. And we show the full statistics. So we have just completed the regression of the exponential function. Now we go to the expansion. We have done with the exponential function, the function, now the expansion of that function, which is 1 plus x plus 1 over 2 factorial times x squared plus 1 over 3 factorial times x cubed up to 1 over n factorial times x to the power n. So the power of n will start from 0 and increase infinitely, but for now we go to the 20th term. The n factorial, 1 over n factorial will be our formula, 1 over factorial of the n values. Now that we have the coefficients, we can now complete the expansion dataset, which is our formula, series sum of the x values, where the power starts from 0, incremented by 1, and our coefficients will be this range. We can also enter the logest of that. This is logest of data y. This is now our expansion. And data x. And we'll also show the full statistics. You will notice the values are the same. The outputs of the logest of the exponential function and its expansion are the same. The expansion is this one. They are the same. We can also enter this data set into the chart. So we edit the chart, add series, and this range. Now the blue datasets are covered by the red datasets. We will also show the equation of this. So edit chart, and we show the trendline equation of the red one. So show all trend line, and we use the exponential and show this as label. So the trend line equation of the exponential function is 1 times e to the power x is the same as the expansion, 1 times e to the power